para la casa.
911, Operator Sparks, where's your emergency? 911.
Da igual. Mamá, ¿por qué me rompieron el pullover?
911, where's your emergency? This is 911. Do you have an emergency?
Hi. Mama, I got an emergency.
Okay,
Here.
what's the address?
It's a 6610 Eaglewood Drive.
6610.
My mom wanna kill me.
Okay, 6610 Eaglewood Drive. Is that a house or an apartment?
Eaglewood Drive.
Is that a house or an apartment?
It's a house. It's my house.
What is your name?
Joel, Yoel.
Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
Nápoles.
What's going on there?
Let me talk to my. I just need to go to the hospital. I just feel a little bit bad. It's my sister. She doesn't want me to go to the hospital now.
Okay, so
Selena. What? Okay. What? Okay. Mama, my mom.
okay, so are you needing an ambulance? Okay, Joel, I need to know what's going on there. Now 911, where's your emergency?
No.
911.
I'm not sure what's going on, but they just shut the door in my face. What's going on?
Nothing.
Looks like he's having some kind of Put that down. Put that down. Whatever's in your hand, put that down.
No. He's not being in the... Joy, por favor.
Okay.
Ya, papi, ya.
Just whatever you have in your hand, just put that down.
I'm okay in my house.
I know, just put that down. Just put whatever's in your hand, put that down. Just the thing? Put that down. Yeah, put that down.
Okay, let me.
Yeah, just put that down.
Okay.
No English, buddy.
Did anybody speak English?
Hey,
So what's going on?
he's my brother. He's bad. He's upside. I don't know how.
Is he high? On
Yes,
drugs?
it's a little high.
On drugs?
I don't know.
Okay.
He's a little aggressive. I can't speak too
It's
many
okay.
English.
It's
Sorry. My mom, my dad, they are nervous like me.
Does he live here?
Yes, he's the older. He's my brother. Actually, he's fine.
Does he take medicine?
No,
No.
he don't want it.
He don't want it. Okay. Do you know what he's been diagnosed with?
No,
Do your parents know? Has he been diagnosed with anything? He hasn't.
no, never.
Can you ask him if he wants to see EMS?
He don't want it.
He don't want nothing.
Abre la puerta a la policía.
I'm Christian, I'm gonna go to the church.
Joe, por favor, para.
Oye la policía.
Habla con ellos, yo no me que quieren hablar contigo.
Does he want to go to the hospital?
I don't know. I don't know, sorry.
What's his name?
Joel,
Joel.
yes,
Does he speak English?
yes,
He does.
yes.
Joel.
Joel, mira,
Joel. Joel. Joel.
Joel, yo no
Joel.
sé que quieren hablar contigo.
Can you talk to me?
Yeah.
Can you talk to me?
Go to the police, this is my house, I'm gonna go to the police house.
What? What?
Ábrele, ya no te van a hacer nada.
Can you just talk?
No te vamos a dejar acercarte, no te vamos a dejar acercarte. Ellos no te van a dejar, eso que tienen en el trico, eso
Stay.
no le van a dejar.
It's a glass pot. It's a glass pot.
Benito, por favor.
Everybody's out of the house.
Benito, por favor.
Just stay there. Stay there. Joel, just stay there. Okay, stay there. Stay there. Sit in that chair right there. Sit in that chair. Sit in that chair. Sit in this chair right here.
Okay. Please.
Tell him to drop what's in his hand. Put that down that's in your hand. Put that down. I need you to sit down so we can figure it out.
This is my house.
I understand that. Nobody's taking you from your house. Nobody's taking you from your house. Nobody's taking you. Nobody's taking you. They're right there. They're right there. Nobody's taking you anywhere. I need you to sit down. I need you to sit right here in this chair. No, I need you to sit away from that knife. I need you to sit away from that knife. Sit right here. Sit right here. It's right in front of me. Just sit right here.
Stop. Stop.
Back up. Get away from him. Get away. He's done. Knife's clear. Go hands on. Neck bad up now. Here, cut him open. I need dry hands open.